like about South Africa is the way they integrate certain aspects within the states. Like here, I was walking and I saw, these trees. I didn't think anything of it until I saw that they had lemons growing on them. I said, damn. I said, okay, that's right. So in the development plan, there's supposed to be a 12-row orchard in the back of the estate where, anybody can go and just pick fruit and, just enjoy nature. And in the beginning of the video, you see the solar panels on all the buildings. The buildings also have rain collections, as I mentioned before in some of my other videos, which they call JoJo tanks. And see, in America, you can't do something like that. In most places, it's illegal to collect rainwater. Capitalism is a crazy thing. Just integrating fruits and, renewable energy and natural resources to help the locals or just the citizens should make sense. However, if it makes sense to you, it's costing rich people money and they can't have that. So, like places like California, you can't collect rainwater. In some places, you can't grow your own fruit. So back there is where they're going to put the orchard. I'm just thinking, like, it's really crazy. You can walk in your apartment or your estate, pick fruit. They have these by the Bry area, which is like a barbecue pit. And sure enough, if you need it, you can just pick it, take it home, eat it on the spot. But I thought this was neat. Something cool. Better than what they have in America, I'll definitely say that. It's winter, so they're still growing. And then on my way home, I saw that they had a herb garden. And they're growing rosemary, oregano, I think some thyme. All right here. America could learn a thing or two.